Intacct gives you the ability to have standard financial reports that come with the system, as well as custom reports, which we'll look at here in a moment. The reports are accessed under the Reports module under Report Center. And this will give you all the reports that are available to you. You'll notice you can filter it by the various modules within the system. So if I filter by the General Ledger module, you'll notice now I'm getting General Ledger related reports. And many of these reports that you see here on the module are also available within the particular module directly. So like the trial balance, as you see here, the General Ledger, if I actually go to the General Ledger module, I'll see my trial balance, General Ledger report, and so forth. So the beauty of the menu here is you have the ability to filter by module, but you can also access the reports directly within the applications themselves. So if I go back and get my list of all the reports that are in the system, you'll see them by module. The financial reports live here at the top. There is a base set of reports that Intacct provides where you're mapping each of your chart of accounts with a category that Intacct provides you so that they'll flow to a balance sheet, income statement, or statement of cash flows, depending on what that GL account entails. Otherwise, many people will build custom reports. So for example, these sets of Houston related reports, food costs, labor costs, prime costs as a percent of budget versus last year comparisons, P&Ls. This entails building out your own account groups and tagging categories of GL accounts and then assigning those to the particular reports. So these are the financial reports. Intacct also gives you access to custom reports. So if you go to Reports, Custom Reports, you have the ability to build a custom report. So if I select Add here, I have literally every data component that lives in Intacct to build a custom report with. The key thing here is, so for example, if I want to run this with GL details or General Ledger details, I can select the General Ledger detail object and then walk through these steps to build out the report. The main thing to understand here is you can only select one data object at a time. And so there's a lot of details that you can build out on a report with respect to each object, but you are limited by the data that lives in that object to build out a custom report. So again, just to summarize, Intacct gives you the ability to have your financial reports and use existing reports and create custom reports. And they all live here under the Report Center. And then you also have the ability to build out custom reports right here as well with the various data objects in the system.